Hello guys, do you know you can make some real money on the internet just by searching on Google using the website askwonder.com? Well, I'm going to run you through the steps on how you'll be able to achieve this. All you have to do is to stay glued to my channel. Okay guys, welcome back. So you're going to go to askwonder.com. Or click here to become a researcher. Sign up to get started. And then just basically fill out the form. It's free to sign up as a researcher. Well, then you can complete research assignments that pay up to $30 an hour. Remember guys, this whole process is achievable if you put some work to it. I'm going to be showing you some of my earnings in my videos in the long run. Alright there, so you have it. So if you're a sit-at-home mom or you don't have anything doing at the moment, this is a great opportunity for you to just research the internet, produce results from people all over the world and make your money guys. It's as simple as that. I'll be seeing you next time.